Most unusual food that people actually eat. Balut. Balut is a popular street food in some Southeast Asian countries, particularly in the Philippines. It's a fertilized duck embryo that is boiled and eaten from the shell. The age of the embryo can vary, but it's typically between 17 to 21 days old when consumed. Balut is often seasoned with salt, vinegar, and sometimes chili, and it's known for its unique taste and texture. Some people find it delicious, while others may find it unusual or challenging to try due to the visual of the partially formed duck embryo. Haggis. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish made from the heart, liver, and lungs of a sheep or calf, mixed with suet, onions, oatmeal, and various spices. This mixture is then encased in the sheep's stomach lining and traditionally simmered for hours. Haggis is known for its rich and savory flavor, often described as earthy and hearty. It's a significant part of Scottish cuisine and is commonly served on Burns Night, a celebration of the poet Robert Burns, where it's accompanied by neeps and tatties. Haggis has a unique cultural significance in Scotland and is enjoyed by many both there and around the world. Tuna eyeballs. Tuna eyeballs, also known as maguro no medama in Japan, are a rare and unusual delicacy made from the eyeballs of tuna fish. These eyeballs are typically cooked by simmering or boiling and are often seasoned with soy sauce and other flavors. They have a unique gelatinous texture and are said to be rich and flavorful. Tuna eyeballs are not as commonly found in everyday Japanese cuisine but are more of a unique and adventurous food item for those looking to explore different aspects of Japanese gastronomy. They are often enjoyed by those who appreciate unusual and flavorful seafood dishes. Fugu. Fugu is a Japanese delicacy, also known as pufferfish or blowfish. It's infamous for containing a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin in its organs, which can be lethal if not prepared properly. However, chefs who prepare fugu must undergo rigorous training and certification. When prepared correctly, fugu is considered a gourmet dish and is served in specialized restaurants in Japan. Escamoles. Escamoles are a type of edible insect larvae, often referred to as Mexican caviar. These larvae come from ants, specifically the Lyometopum ant species in Mexico. They are harvested from the roots of agave and maguey plants. Escamoles have been consumed in Mexican cuisine for centuries and are prized for their nutty and buttery flavor. They are typically sautéed with butter or oil and seasoned with herbs and spices. While some people may find the idea of eating ant larvae unusual, they are considered a delicacy in Mexican gastronomy. Century egg. Century egg, also known as preserved egg, 100-year egg, or 1000-year egg, is a Chinese delicacy made by preserving duck, chicken, or quail eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice straw for several weeks to several months. Contrary to its name, century eggs are not actually aged for centuries. The preservation process transforms the egg's texture and flavor, giving it a gel-like consistency and a distinct, savory taste. Century eggs are often served as a topping for congee or as a side dish in various Chinese dishes. They have a strong and acquired taste, and opinions on their flavor can vary widely. Rocky Mountain oysters. Rocky Mountain oysters are a culinary delicacy made from the testicles of bulls or sometimes other animals like sheep or bison. They are typically breaded and deep-fried, similar to fried chicken or other fried foods. While they might sound unusual, they are considered a regional specialty in parts of the American West and are often served as an appetizer. The taste and texture can vary, but they are generally described as tender and mild in flavor.